Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do this glam look for you guys. I haven't done a wearable glam look in a while, so I thought why not, and I wanted to do some glitter liner, so I incorporated that in here. I honestly hate intros so much because I don't know what to say, but anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. So for today's look, I'm going to do my eyes before I do my face. I already have my brows done. I'm just going to go and clean them up with some concealer and prime my eyelids with the same concealer. And I'm going to be using ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 26. I'm going to take that on my BH Cosmetics 11 brush. I always do a line close to the brow bone, not directly on it, just so it's easier to go up. And to blend this out on my lid, I'm going to go in with Huda Beauty's Face Conceal and Blend brush. And I'm going to set my eyelid using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Banana Bread. And I'll set that using my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. Now for this look, I'm going to tape the sides of my eyes to create a winged shadow. I haven't taped my eyes in so long. Alright, so we're taping back my hair a little bit. It's cool. Alright, so for my shadow, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's Rose Gold Remastered palette. And I'm going to start by going in with Sandalwood. I'll be taking this color on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 brush. And we're just gonna go around in the crease, going all the way around. Next, I'm gonna deepen that up a little bit more with henna. And I'll be going in with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH36 brush. Doing the exact same thing, but keeping it just a little bit lower. Picking up that brush with Sandalwood, just blending out the top here. You can also pick up that brush you used to set your eye and do the same thing. Next, going in with Coco. And I'm going to keep this a little bit tighter. I'm going to go in with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush. And I'm going to keep this even lower. And using henna to blend it out. Picking up that Sandalwood brush again, doing the same thing. And the last color I'm going to use to darken this up is Black Truffle. I'm going to go in with this on my Morphe S12 brush. And I'm just going to pack it in the outer V. And kind of try and blend it in here. And using that brush with Coco to just blend it out. Just keep on going back and forth. And you want to keep on going in with henna and Sandalwood just to keep that gradient going. Now we're going to go back in with more of that black after, but I'm going to go on top of my lid using Bubbly. And I'm going to apply this first with my finger. And then going in with this little Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH39 pencil brush. I'm just going to blend that out, pick up a little bit more of Bubbly, and just blend it out. and just making sure the outer edge is blended in that half circle. Not a cut crease, but just blended. Going back in with that black truffle. Making sure to keep that blended. Now before I do anything else, I'm just going to go in with some eyeliner. And I'm going to be using my Morphe liquid liner in Blackout. I'm going to use this thin brush that I bought from the craft store as an eyeliner brush and just pick up some of that straight off of this brush. And I'm just going to apply that directly on my lash line. No wing. So next, right above this, I'm going to go in with the Morphe's Metallic Eyeshadow. And this is in Poppin. And I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills A28 eyeliner brush to apply this. Just going to grab a bit of this and just applying that right above the liner. And if you go over the liner a little bit, go ahead and go back in with that liner and just clean it up. Now taking a tiny smudger brush, this is my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH42. I'm going to pick up some of that black truffle and just make sure the glitter line is just kind of blended in. Alright, now for the reveal. Ooh. Hello. Wow, that's nice. Alright, so I've done my face a billion times, so I'm just going to speed this up for you guys. But I'll let you know what I'm using. I'm going to prime my face using Huda Beauty's Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. For my foundation, I'm going to go in with ColourPop's No Filter Foundation in Medium 110. Now for the top of my brows, I'm just going to grab some foundation on my BH Cosmetics 11 brush. That's just so I can get the foundation near my brow because I know it's pretty difficult. To conceal, I'm going to be going in with ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 32 and again in Medium 26. And then to set my under eyes, I'm going to go back in with that Huda Beauty Banana Bread Powder on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A7 brush. Then I'm going to set my whole face with the same powder on my Morphe RO brush. To warm up my face, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And I'm going to go in with these last two shades on my Bow Bell B4 brush. I'm also going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 smudger brush to contour my nose. And then just blending that out with my powder brush. For blush, I'm going to go in with Morphe's Blush Trio. And I'm going to go in with Boss on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. Now for my under eye, picking up that JH42 smudger brush again, the one that we just used black for, and picking up some Sandalwood and just smudging that out. And picking up some henna. Basically doing the same order. Then Coco. And then smudging a little bit of black truffle right in the outer half. Taking that small pencil brush, that JH39, and picking up a little bit more of Sandalwood. And just making sure that's all blended out. And then going in with Moondust on my inner corner and brow bone using my Sigma Shader Inner Corner E46 brush. Now for highlight, I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer in Pineapple Sun using this half. And I'm going to go in with my Too Faced highlighting brush. My Cupid's bow. And the nose. Lips. Now for my lips, I'm going to make sure that they're bombed up. And I'm going to go in with Buxom's Plump Line Lip Liner in Undercover. Just like a brown. And going over top of that with Huda Beauty's Liquid Matte in Trendsetter. Now I did everything in a really weird order, but the very last thing we're going to do is put on some lashes. And I'm going to be going in with Luxie Lashes Lil Miss Flex Lashes. And then going back over that black eyeliner really quickly just to make sure nothing got weird. Now lastly, I'm just going to go with some mascara, and I'm going to be using Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, make sure to click that bell icon if you guys want to get a notification when I post new videos. Feel free to leave any questions below in the comments or request future looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this glam look. I'm so grateful for every one of you, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.